Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs Sniawbhalang Dhar has said some people from Jaintia Hills have requested for railway connectivity. Meanwhile, two NGOs from Jaintia Hills opposing the move, citing that railway is a medium to facilitate massive influx, and also stated that the state lacks a mechanism to control immigration and a framework to protect tribal trade. The Deputy Chief Minister, however, claimed that there are mechanisms to tackle influx in the state.
No, actually, it's not a government. It's a request from section from Jaintia. It seems the voice not accepted. Please bring it from Jaintia. That is under examination. We want to bring as a government for the benefit of the people. But ultimately is we have to listen from our stakeholders also. No? Influx. There is a mechanism to tackle influx. You know very well. You know very well. Why I should tell you all these things? We have been for the last so many years, 50 years now of statehood. Everything's in order.
Dr. D.D. Lapang, the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya,